Looky here, my Christmas presents have arrived. I'm so excited. We need to do an unboxing. Hi, welcome to Rosebank Farm and Garden. I'm so excited about today's video. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Amanda. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back and watching. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I ordered all of these plants for my Christmas present back in December. Proven Winners has a Green Monday sale, which is the second Monday of December, and I took advantage of those sale prices to get myself my Christmas presents. I've ordered from Proven Winners in the past, and I have found that if I don't place the order early, I might not get some of the things I like, especially the flower pillows, which are phenomenal. Absolutely love those, such a time saver. Here's a look inside the box and how they're packaged. Everything's in a divider wrapped in paper so that there's no soil spilling around on the inside. So there's 4 times 5, so 20 plants in this box. Okay, in the first one, it looks like a double impatient. This is Rocapoco Rose, double impatient. I ordered several of these and I know exactly where I'm going to put them. Rocapoco Rose, part shade to shade, 10 to 20 inches tall and wide. The spacing, well, actually put them closer together than what it says, but anyways. Okay, let's grab another one. This is Angel Face Blue, Angelonia. I also ordered multiples of these. Let's take a closer look. Angel Face Blue, Angelonia. It is an annual. It needs full sun. And I'm just excited for all those purple blooms. I have a flower bed that I call Purple Circle, and I only plant purple flowers in there, so that's where these are going. Okay, we're working on this back row. This one looks like another impatient. It is Rocapoco Apple Blossom. I like how these are packaged. Not a drop of dirt is in the box. Everything stays really secure in here. Okay, so Apple Blossom, it's a lighter pink. So the Apple Blossom has more of a white with a creamy center, and the Rocapoco Rose is just saturated with vibrant color. Last year I planted these in the same flower pot and one overtook the other. Even though on the tag they both say 10 to 12 or 10 to 20 inches, that I didn't find that to be true. So this year I'm going to do just a solid one in the flower pot and one in the ground, and we'll see how they do. Yeah, Sun Patience, I absolutely love these. It's an impatient that can take sun, and I just love the pink color. I have a certain spot. This will be the 3rd year that I'm putting these Sun Patience in the same spot. It's in between boxwoods on a path around this tree that I'm standing under, and they just look so nice, and pretty soon the boxwoods are going to grow together, and then I'll have to find a new spot, but I think I will always keep buying Sun Patience. Let's take a closer look. So these are Sun Patience Compact Hot Pink, Fold Apart Sun. Just gorgeous. If you can't tell, I really like the color pink, but I do promise that there are other colors in here. Nope, it's still pink. Okay, this is a new plant for me, and it's called Superbena Pink Cashmere, and I really like the leaf structure on this. So different from the impatiens we've been looking at. I'll come over and give you a closer look. Look at the leaf structure and the color. I just think that's so pretty. Here's the tag. And that color of just white to light pink is just beautiful. Now these are a short plant, only 6 to 12 inches. And I believe I heard somewhere that they don't like to be overwatered. So I want to try these in the baskets over by my swimming pool. Super Bells Double Smitten Pink. Oh, Calabacroa hybrid. This is so pretty. More on the purple side. Close-up look at the Super Bells Double Smitten Pink Calabacroa. Full to part sun. Can you see the color? How it gets a darker, deeper throat. It's gorgeous. Now it says this is also a short plant, 6 to 12 inches, and I honestly don't remember what I had in mind for this being so short again. So I'm sure I'll find a place for it. Okay, 2 more left in the box, and then this box will be done. And I see a stick, so pretty sure this is a clematis. I don't remember what I ordered. Stand By Me Lavender Bush Clematis. Here's the tag, and I'll get real close so you can see the bloom. The yellow center. It's going to be so pretty. So full to part sun, 34 to 38 inches. There are 6 spaces for plants in this littler box, and let's open up our first one. It is Rock and Go Lemon Jade Sedum. The color's a little different than what I expected. It's supposed to be more of a chartreuse green, but this is more of a gray green at this point, so maybe it'll lighten up. So here's the plant. Like I said, it's more of a gray green right now, but when I bought it, I was expecting more of the chartreuse. But full sun, 16 to 18, so it'll be a nice step down from the roses I plan on putting it near. And the zones are zones 3 through 9. I just noticed that these are planted in the compost ready pots from Proven Winners. So you just break the tabs off and plant as is. Let's see what we have. It's literally like unwrapping Christmas presents. So excited. Drops of Jupiter. Oregano. Oh, so pretty. Full sun perennial. Wish you could smell this. It smells so good. Look at the color of the leaves and the purple. This is going to be a really pretty addition in my garden. For information for Drops of Jupiter, it's a perennial. Full sun, 24 inches high, zones 4 through 9. These 3 tall boxes came out of this tall box. The 4th container in here is empty, and I do think these are my roses. So I'm going to actually take these down to pull them out. Hopefully without getting stabbed. Here's a little behind the scenes look at what just happened. Proven Winners cuts these slots out of the box and pushes it in so the flower pot stays in place. So when I tried to pull it out, it wouldn't move. So I will take care of that and take out these roses, and then we'll see which ones I got. Took a little bit of maneuvering, but I got the roses out. This is easily the largest and the stunner. Oh so easy Italian ice. Look at these. Bloom so much color on one plant. We have this bright orange with kind of a salmon around the edges as a tiny bud. Then they start to open up. We see more of that salmony pink. This one is on its way out, but that pink edge. Now look at this, the palest buttery yellow with pink on the underlay leaf. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. I can't believe it came out of that little tiny box. Look, that box is not that wide to contain this plant. And look at this, 1, 2, 3, it's just 4. It's loaded with blooms. Oh, beautiful plant. So excited about this one. Okay, the next one is Rise Up Amberness, and that color of peach. The Rise Up Amberness is part shade to part sun, so I think that's why I bought it, because I do have a lot of shade. And it's not that tall of a climbing rose, just 3 to 5 tall, 2 to 3 wide. But we'll see how it does. I just love that color. The next rose is called Rise Up Lilac Days. It's also a climbing rose. I'm really excited for this one just because of the color. Now this one is for sun, whereas the Amberness could take more shade. This is for sun, and this one also gets a little bit taller at 5 to 8 feet tall, 2 to 4 wide. Hardiness zones 4 through 9. So really excited about this one too. Just the color is just gorgeous. And its new foliage is also on the gold side like the Amberness. So very interesting. We are down to the last box, and boy, this was a heavy one. Whatever's in here weighs more than the other boxes. So let's get into this and see what we have. Well, first of all, this is smaller than the first box I did. It's 4 by 4 for the compartments. And so let's just jump in. Okay. Huh. I can't remember what I ordered. Okay, this one is, oh, I'm spilling lots of soil everywhere. Quick Fire Fab Hydrangea. Just up close, it comes in the little quart size, and of course I like pink, so this will turn colors as it blooms. So beautiful. The Quick Fire Fab Hydrangea is a panicle hydrangea, which means it blooms on new wood. This one is sun part shade and USDA zones 3 through 8. It gets 6 to 8 foot tall and 5 to 6 foot wide. Another big shrub that's going to need a lot of space. So I unwrapped 2 more Rocapoco Rose Double Impatiens off camera, but the next plant is a new one. I just took a peek inside. I haven't unwrapped it all the way yet. And it is, drum roll please, Pink Mink Clematis, another climbing clematis, but it's awful small. Here's a close-up of the tag. It is pink, my favorite color, with the stripe down the center of the bloom. This plant is very, very small, so probably have to baby it along, and hopefully it will take and grow fine for me. Information on the Pink Mink Clematis. It is sun to part shade, zones 4 through 9, gets 9 to 10 foot tall, and can grow as much as 6 to 8 foot wide. So I have one more plant to go. I just peeked, different foliage. I don't remember what it is. So last one, so excited. Okay, here it is. I just peeked in and I saw this striped foliage, and I'm not sure what I bought. Maybe you can see the tag before I can. There we go. So this is Golden Feathers Jacob's Ladder, part shade to shade. I have a lot of shady spots in my yard, so I'm trying to get more shade plants that have interesting variegated leaves, or just kind of something interesting. So I really like the yellow and white stripes, and then there's a hint of pink. Up close look, you can see the variegated leaves. Some are white tipped, some are yellow, and some even have that hint of pink. And there's the tag, part shade to shade, zones 5 through 9, and I'm a zone 6, so this should be perfect. And I'm probably going to plant it right here underneath this big catalpa. Hey, it's the next day, and when I got home from running errands, I found another delivery on my front step. So there's one more plant we need to unbox. I think this is my flower pillow, but I think I ordered more than one, so I'm going to be on the lookout for more boxes from Proven Winners with a couple more flower pillows. Oh, I forgot to undo this so it won't come out. Hold on. The flowers in this mix are Super Tunia Blue Sky, Fold Apart Sun, so that's going to be this one here, the lighter purple. Then we have another Super Tunia. This one's Royal Velvet. Of course, that's the dark one that we see. And then the last plant in this mix is, there you go, a Superbena Stormburst. It's a verbena hybrid, Fold Apart Sun. And so that's going to be this one, little delicate one with the stripes. So I'm really, really excited about this blend. I've never tried the True Beauty flower pillow before, but I love all the purples. Flower pillows come pre-planted with a mix of plants in this plastic container. It's held together there with a zip tie. You just take off the plastic and it's ready to plant. This one is called True Beauty. And I've been ordering flower pillows for the last 5 years, and they've done really, really well for me. Everything's unboxed. So excited to have all these beautiful new plants and get them in the ground and make my yard and garden a more pleasant place to be during the summertime. I hope you enjoyed the video and a quick look at the plants. And once I get them all in the ground, I will do like a part 2 tour of where they ended up. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.